You want to know how can you solve the Ghost Touch problem in your Android device? You are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how. Now you need to use this ProShell Screen app, so go ahead and download it from Play Store, and then after that you can finally go ahead and open it. Give it permission, so tap on Get Permission right here. We'll need to give the app permission to display over other apps. Now scroll down till you find the ProShell Screen app, tap on it to open it, and then tap on this toggle right here to turn it on. Now go back to the app. It will do a scanning to scan the ghost touches, or where is the ghost touch happening on your screen. Just don't touch the screen during this process. If it finds any, it will notify you about it. If it doesn't, you can still go ahead and add a manual region. So what does that do basically is to disable the part of the screen that the touching is happening in. So go ahead and adjust this little area or little space. You can make it smaller or bigger, or even just the shape. Now tap on the volume up button to enable this, and just like that, that area doesn't take any touches, including the ghost touches. So basically nothing at all. Once you want to turn this off, you just open the app and tap right here in the top right corner to turn it off or on anytime. And that is basically how you solve this problem. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.